Sorry about that, my phone was being an asshole. But yeah, if you guys know the name of that thing, you guys can comment down below. But I said sorry about that, my phone was being an asshole. It's gonna be pretty cool to see what the side of this one is. So you guys want to know something really fucking hilarious as hell? So, knock knock. Who's there? Anyone. Anyone who? Anyone that can ride my lawnmower? It's funny, guys. Oh, guys, it's hilarious. What's holding this thing together still? Let's find out. You know another funny one? I know another funny one. Knock knock. Who's there? What did a rooster say on the way home? What? I'm ready to go get some fooders. Oh, I get what you're meaning instead of hooters, fooders. So guys, knock knock. Who's there? Pressure washer. Oh, pressure washer here. Pressure washer. Pressure washer destruction. Oh no, sorry. Knock knock. What the fuck was it? Sorry. Knock knock. Who's there? Who's there? Pressure washer. Pressure washer who? Pressure washer, did your pump give out on you? What the hell was that noise though? Something. Pressure washer, did your pump give out on you? Oh, that's funny. That's very funny. But yeah. So since somebody interrupted my video earlier, I'm gonna have a pretty fucking good one here. I'll show you guys the thing turning on and everything. And I'll show you guys me beating it up or whatever. See, all I'm left with is the motor. All I'm left with is a little bitty motor, man. So guys, like I said in my other boombox video, someone rocked me on. Who hates thunderstorms? Comment down below on who hates them. Or anyone that hates loud noises, comment down below. So I know one thing, I hate it. So guys, pressure wash your house with destructive pressure washer. So pressure wash your house with destructive pressure washer called the Pressure Washer Demolition Pro. Whoa! YouTubers! So this is their handle, I guess. Right here. This is their handle. Right there. Alright. Oh. Dirt Devil, I'm proud of you. I'm proud of my little Dirt Devils. Not like that, you know. I'm proud of the devil. I'm proud of the devil. Get what I'm saying there, guys. You guys don't get what I'm saying there. It's okay, but at least I know what I'm saying. Okay, so this here is our slide button here for our power head, or our, what do you call it, head? I call it power head. Most people can call it whatever they want, but so Dirt Devil, you are making better vacuums. I've got to admit, Dirt Devil and Shark has been making better vacuums. There's our old ass filter. Pretty disgusting. Did they really screw this filter in there? Larry. Quite contrary. So guys, comment down below if you guys think you could replace a pressure washer pump. The electric pressure washer pump. Comment down below. Who thinks they could replace a pressure washer pump? Who thinks that? If anyone thinks they could, comment down below. I'll give you $15 to replace it. There's our motor. And there's our fry. Oh, and this is a little warm. Hot! I'm weird, guys. I'm very weird. Oh, wow. So you guys remember the shark that I destroyed? You guys probably didn't view it because you guys are just weird. Some people are weird about viewing stuff that I destroy. So, this little shark here, or this little Dirt Devil, the little Dirt Devil has a little fuse in it, just like a shark. And, so right there is their little fuse. And then, I get what they did there. Okay. So Demolition Devin here. I got the hose. I call it the hose, but it's like a pipe thing that the cord went through. Oh, Demolition Devin. Guys, I'm weird. I'm the weirdest guy on earth. Guys. I'm the weirdest person on earth, ain't I? So yeah, guys. Something cool to tear up, something different. You guys are gonna like it. I'm pretty sure most of you guys are gonna like it. Well, let's hope so. I'm hoping that you guys really will like the Power Washer Demolition. I'm hoping. Oh, I broke that right out. That's pretty freaking amazing. Freaking amazing. Hot! Hot! Larry! Larry. So yeah, guys, when I add on my cabin, I am gonna do a video of me adding on my cabin. Not a whole video, but it'll be like a part 1, me demolishing the walls. Part 2. Oh! Good thing I wasn't standing there, Larry. Dang it, Larry. Oh shit. Why is it spitting stuff all over me? Why? Okay, so I can't get that out. Ugh. Fuck you, Larry. Spit on your own self. Ooh, it's lightning outside, guys. Seen a flash or something. Okay. Oh yeah, we locked this little sucker up. We locked this sucker up. We locked her up pretty bad. So where'd that one piece go? Okay. Last shot here of our motor. Here we are, motor. So yeah, you guys comment down below. You guys like the video or whatever. I'm Demolition Devin saying off. Peace.